So hey guys, once again welcome back to my CWJ Automotive YouTube channel, and today I will share the information 2025 upcoming Mercedes-Benz E-Class plug-in hybrid. The Mercedes-Benz E-Class got a major redesign for 2024 model. Yeah, so the 2025 version has only a few updates. So the most notable change in the introduction of the AMG E53 hybrid model, which boosts nearly 600 horsepower. The high-performance sedan features a powerful plug-in hybrid system, including a 28.6 kilowatt battery pack and an electric motor. It also has enhanced body stiffness, wider fenders, and a more dynamic suspension system and a large brake, making it a top contender against the BMW M5. The 2025 E-Class continues with the same impressive design and the feature introduced in the 2024. It has a sleek exterior, a hybrid powertrain, and the luxurious tech-filled interior, unlike the previous generation which offered a coupe, convertible, and the wagon. The current E-Class is available only a four-door sedan, likely due to declining coupe sales and the rising popularity of the SUV. So there are three models in the new E-Class lineup: E350 4MATIC and the E450 4MATIC and the AMG E53 hybrid. The E350, starting at the 63,500, features a 255 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with a mild hybrid system, and the E450, priced at 71,900, has the 375 horsepower inline 6-cylinder engine with an upgraded hybrid system, and the high-performance AMG E53 hybrid boosts a 577 horsepower turbocharged 6-cylinder engine paired with a more powerful plug-in hybrid system. The E450 can accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in just 4.4 seconds, while the AMG E53 hybrid achieved the same in 3.7 seconds. The top model comes with an air suspension system for the smoother ride and the four-wheel steering for the better movability, and reduce the turning radius by about 3 feet. And the AMG model used a specific steel spring suspension designed for a high-performance driving. So the new E-Class features an advanced infotainment system with an optional display that spans the entire dashboard. The option allows front seats for passenger to stream video, to take selfie and video when the car is parked. So guys, the EPA estimate is around 2025. E450 4MATIC will achieve 22 mpg in city, 31 mpg on highway, and the 2024 launch MBUX system is more software driven, allowing for the future update. And the E-Class has the 14.4 inches central touch screen and the 12.3 inches digital driver display with the various quad and the information view. So in the term of the size, the E-Class is over a half of the inches longer than the previous model, 2 inches wider, and the sit is a slight